My name is Mohammed Khalis. I am the director of the Department of Public Health and Clinical Research at the Mohammed VI Center for Research and Innovation. I am based in Rabat in Morocco. The focus of our project is gender-based violence against women in Moroccan universities, particularly regarding women studying in STEM faculties in our country. Through our research, we want to measure how it spread this problem really among students in health sciences and build an anonymous reporting system and a prevention program co-designed with the students themselves. If our research achieves its objectives, it could mean that universities in Morocco have, for the first time, solid evidence on gender-based violence affecting women in STEM faculties.